In this video, I'm going to be showing how to find the first quartile, the median, and the third quartile when given a set of values. Now on the screen you will see that we were given a set of values, and I have already pre-sorted them. In this example here, we are given an odd number of values. Afterwards we will be doing an example with an even number of values. So here, the first thing we have to do is find the median. And we find the median by finding the value where there are the same number of values on the bottom half as there are on the top half. So if we take the value Rn and divide it by 2, so n divided by 2 equals 9 divided by 2 equals 4.5, then if we round it up, to 5, then this tells us that the fifth value is our median value. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the ninth value is our fifth value. Okay, so the median equals 9. Okay, now to find the 25th percentile, we have to find the median of the lower values. And the lower values are all of those values that are less than the median values. So in this case, the lower values are 1, 2, 4, and 6. So we need to find the median of the values 1, 2, 4, and 6. And in order to do that, we take the middle two values, which in this case you can easily see are the values 2 and 4, and we add them. 2 plus 4, and divide by 2 to get 6 over 2 is equal to 3. So the 25th percentile is 3. Okay, so there's that. Now in order to find the 75th percentile, we take the median of the upper values. And so the upper values are 12, 13, 15, and 16. And here we find the median of these values. So that would be the median of these. So that would be 13 plus 15 divided by 2 equals 28 divided by 2, which is 14. And so here, to sum it up, 25th percentile is going to be equal to 3. The median is going to equal to 9. And the 75th percentile is equal to 14.